कर्नाटक की वजीर आला सिद्धारामैया ने एग्जिट पोल को कबूल करने से इनकार किया है। मीडिया से बात करते हुए सिद्धारामैया ने कहा कि कर्नाटक में हमें 15 था 20 नशिस्तें हासिल होंगी। पार्टी सदर मल्लिकार्जुन खड़गे ने भी वाज़ेह तौर पर कहा है कि इंडिया इत्तेहाद को 295 नशिस्तें हासिल होंगी।
We are not going to agree with the exit poll. Exit poll is a media creation. I don't know whether the BJP is involved in this or not.
Sir, in Vidhan Sabha election also you said you will cross more than 130.
Huh?
You passed in Vidhan Sabha.
Yes,
now,
yes.
what is your number, sir? What do you want to say? In Lok Sabha.
15 to 20 will win. I have already
Karnataka.
made it very clear in
In
Karnataka.
center, sir.
Center also, our president has already made it very clear that the India and its partners will win 295 seats.